its shells is it's changing colors. Wow, it's changing colors. Wow, so much LOL. And another one. And another one. So cool. So much glitter. I got some glitter. Oh. And pink. Pop your fingers. Spooky box lights. And the box is empty now. I'm gonna close the box. I don't need the box anymore, but now I'm gonna do this. First, I'm gonna see which one my favorite is, and then I'm gonna open it. To open one of the LOLs, this one. I pick this one. How to open this? But I'm gonna look how I can open this on the back side. I need a knife. I open one of the LOLs. How pretty and cute they are. And you actually can put this off and put it on her head. And I can take her shoes off. Let me try if she can wear her shoes on. Yes, can. Now I'm giving her shoes back to her. One shoe, two shoes, and I'm done. Now I'm gonna open another LOL. These LOLs go there. Now I'm gonna go. Which one? This one. I picked this one. So shiny hair, so pink, and with black. Her hair is so much pink. I opened the package and I saw her hair is so pink and black. And I like the hair. I like the hair from this dog, so pink and beautiful. And the dog has shoes, and you can put it out and on. And the dog has a jacket on. Now I got 4 dolls. I can switch these two. Now to open the third one. Now I put right over there. Now I want to open this one with another doggy. And this girl has glasses on. Wow, the dog is so pretty with shoes on. And the dog, her eyes are prettier than her glasses. And this one, this dog hair, I can take the dog hairband off and turn it with this one. The dog a black one. Change it a little bit. Those prettier. This one is a little big. And his shoes can go off. Now they're gonna stand up. The shoes can go off. Now they're gonna stand up. 1, 2, 2, 3, 'Now everyone is standing. I can pick them and play with it.
Yes, that's a good idea.
I think they're so cute. Now I'm going to show you my blue LOL bag. It's gonna be gold. Oh, look how pretty it is, shiny and glitters. Now I'm gonna put her inside her pet. Her inside.